Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add music on a video here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To add music to a video in Canva, you just have to follow these simple steps. Number one is open your video project and go to your Canva homepage and select the video project you want to edit or create a new video design by selecting Create Design and choosing a video. In my case, I'm already here in my design that I'm working with. Now, for us to be able and add an audio, we need to add a video first, all right? For example, this is going to be the video cover, and I'm going to hover to the left side panel of my dashboard. You see that? There's going to be an option that says Apps. I want you to click on it because, as you can see, I don't have any audio in the left side editor. For me to be able to add something like that, I need to click on Audio. What will happen is the audio would be added. If I choose to the audio not be seen in my left side editor or left side pane, click on X, and again hover back to the apps and click on audio. You see that? Basically, that's how you add and remove the audio pane. Now, these are going to be some of the audio music available here in Canva. You see, there are categories like birthday, background, free audio, paper, pop, instrument, birthday, and a lot. Now, when you see a crown here that says Pro, you see there's going to be a pop-up window that says to use this premium music track, you need to upgrade to. Now, all I have to do is, if you don't want to pay for the premium so you can use this without any licensing issues or errors, I highly suggest you go here in this category that says click the forward button. You see there's going to be something like free audio, right? You see, the Audio Pro can unlock the entire library of premium audio tracks free for 30 days. But for now, let's choose something like a free one. Say this Seduction Jazz, Laid Back, Dreamy, Bright, Glamorous. I want you to click on it. You see, there's going to be an audio here at the bottom where you can see the section, kind of like a way for you to edit. You can scrub it all the way depending on how long the video is going to be, or you can decrease the length from, say, 10 seconds to 2 to 3 seconds, depending on how long the video is. All right, so for the first one is, we're going to use a picture, but in this case, I'm going to put in a video here. Now, I'm going to hover again to the apps and click on video, all right, because we're going to add a video first. So maybe something like this one. All right. Again, you do not want to use the Pro. Let's look for something like a free plan, because ultimately when exporting and saving it, it's going to be a big problem later if you use the Pro. Maybe this one for now. The kind of like a vegetables and fruits and peanuts. All right. So this is going to be the second video. Now, you can, of course, put one different music here on the first slide or the first clip. And then on the second one right here, if you click on play, the duration, you see that? This is going to be the first audio. And of course, we can toggle again to the audio and search for another music that we wanted. Say, for example, we're going to be using the cocktail free groove right here. Drag it on the clip that you wanted to add the music into. You see that? Of course, we can slide it to make sure that it aligns with the music entry and exit. All right, so click that. If we click on this button right here that says 20 seconds, that's going to be making it. You see that? I'm going to toggle my mute for now. All right, because it's interfering with the recording. But obviously, that is the easiest way for you to add music to a video, all right? toggle mute off so you can see if the music vibes with the video. You see there's going to be a show caption option. If you don't want the CC or a closed caption, you just click on the hide options here. And let's go back again to the editor. Again, you are not limited with another one because you can add another video here on this side. Now, say, for example, we're adding another feature here, maybe like this one, the ocean view. In this case, what we're going to do next on the audio right here is we're going to the Audio Pro. Let's click that. And as you can see, you can try Canva Pro for free for 30 days. And again, you have two options. You can cancel anytime because the Canva Pro allows you to have the Audio Pro as well. And of course, you can cancel anytime. You'll be reminded within the 7 days before your trial ends. If you want that, click on the start free trial, or if you prefer a stream trial, you can do that as well. All right. But for now, let me skip that. I'm just giving you more options. Maybe I'm looking for the driving tech party track. I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna put it around here. So you see, I'm gonna slide this off. So you have like a second layer here in this. Now, once you are happy with how it looks, click the play button at the upper right. Make sure that everything is aligned and reflects how you wanted to show the video and the audio synchronized in one slide or one animation, right? So far, looks very, very good. I don't see any problems. You see, the transition is smooth and the song vibes. But the thing is, if you see that there's no song that reflects the video right here, you might want to use another platform for that, which is artist.io. If you go to this website, you can check that they offer royalty-free music for your videos. Explore copyright-free music with music licensing that covers any kind of project from social media to commercial use worldwide. You can click on the Start Free Now option, but if you're interested in the pricing, you might want to see that as well. I am using some of the audios here for free, and they offer a lot of free audios that I can work with my project, with my presentation, and a lot more. You see, these are going to be some of their standard price. If you're wondering about the business, you might want to check for companies with 50 plus employees and agencies. After adding your music using artist.io, I also suggest you check the popular music license agreement here in Canva, right? Understand all the information here before you use it for commercial purposes or business purposes. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.